we need to reduce to the minimum expression the result of the sum of these three algebraic divisions here. First, if you observe, we have a y that is common in these two terms in the second denominator. So I will factorize that first. So I will write 7 divided by y minus, and then we have a y that is common in this denominator, and then we have y plus 5, right? Y by y is y squared, and y by 5 is 5y. And in the numerator, 35 plus 6y. Then we have the minus y plus 5. Now we need to have, or we need to get the least common multiple. In this case, we need to write, as we have done before, we need to write the denominators y plus 5, and then we have here a y plus 5. I will write some parentheses so we can observe that this is exactly the same term, right? So we need to find an expression that can be divided exactly one of these expressions. In this case, we have a y, and we have a y here as well. So I will do first that, I will take that y first. Y plus 5 divided by y, this will give a fraction. So I will write y plus 5. I won't write that fraction. Then for this second expression here, we have y that multiplies y plus 5 divided by y. In this case, the y will go away, and we get y plus 5, right? And this y dividing this y will get number 1. So we are done with this column, as we have said before. If you observe, we have a y plus 5 in the two expressions. So I will write y plus 5. Y plus 5 divided by y plus 5 is 1. The same happens here. And in this case, we have our number 1, and we leave it as it is now. So we have finished the procedure because we get now 3 1s because we have 3 columns. The next step is multiply the results. In this case, we have y multiply y plus 5. And this is the least common multiple for this expression here. So we'll write it. So what we need to do is to take this denominator and divide the first denominator, divided by the first denominator. In this case, we will get and multiply the result of that by the numerator here. In this case, we have y multiplying y plus 5 divided by y. We get y plus 5, and this will be multiplied by 7. Then we get 7 that multiplies y plus 5. Then we have the negative that we will write here. And I will perform the same division. In this case, y, if you observe, this denominator is exactly the same than this denominator, so the result will be 1. That will be multiplying 35 plus 6y. And the next step, exactly the same. In this case, we have y plus 5 here, and also y plus 5 here. That will go away, and the result will be just a 1y. That will multiply the minus 1. So we get minus y. So we need to do here, or we can do, is reduce or expand, first of all, the numerator. So 7 by y is 7y plus 35, right? Because we have 7 by 5. Then we have a negative that this negative applies to all the terms inside of the parentheses. So we have then minus 35 and minus 6y. And then we have the negative, the minus y here. And in the denominator, we have y and y plus 5. You observe, first we have 35 and minus 35. This will go away, right? Then we have minus 6y minus y. This is minus 7y, and we have a 7y here, positive. Therefore, this will go away as well with these two. We have eliminated all the terms in the numerator. So therefore, we have 0 divided by y, that y plus 5. This will be 0, of course.